How to log out from Robinhood account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out from your Robinhood account. In order to do so, first of all, open the web browser where you are logged into your Robinhood account. Once you open it, now in the search bar here enter robinhood.com. Once you have entered it, press on the enter key to search for it. Now you will be taken to the official website of Robinhood. Here, if you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now, in order to log out from your account, you just simply need to locate the account link or the option at the top right corner of your screen. Once you locate it, simply click on it and then a pop-up menu will appear. Now from this pop-up menu, you will need to locate the logout button. Once you locate it, simply click on this logout button and soon after doing that, you will be logged out from your account. After that, you will be able to see this login interface. In case if you would like to sign in back to your account in the future, you just simply need to come to this place and enter the login credentials in this field in order to log in again. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Robinhood account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.